Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 12. Okay, as you know that in day 11 I have taught you about how to find gravitational force act between a ball and the earth. Okay, today I am going to discuss about how to find gravitational force acts between a person and the earth. Okay, so students, kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and turn same page number 132 and see the topic gravitational force acts between a man and the earth. Okay student, first of all you will suppose the weight mass of the man, not weight, mass of a man, you will take 60 kg. Okay, so let us consider a man having mass 60 kg. Okay, let us consider a man having mass 60 kg stand on the surface of the earth. Okay, then you know that F is equal to G M, mass of the man, suppose that M. Okay, and ME, mass of the earth, by RE, radius of the earth square. Okay, this is the same problem like as day 11 problem. Okay, now select the data given B. M is equal to 60 kg and ME is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. RE is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 kg, sorry, radius meter, and G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. Okay, now put the value of these terms. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass of the man 60 kg into mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg by radius of earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Okay, now see the calculation. F is equal to 6.67. You will separate the terms. 60 into 6 into 10 to the power 24 and this is minus 11. So you will write here in simplest form. Okay, 10 to the power 24 minus 11 you will write directly. Now 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, F is equal to 6.67 into 60 into 6 into 10 to the power 13 by 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 12. Now this becomes 10. Okay, now remove the decimal 20, it becomes 10, 10, 20. 100 cancel out. Now you will just multiply 667 into 6 is 36, 3 is 60 and 10 here by 64 into 64, 4096. Okay, 36. Two 4012. F is equal to 24012 and 00 divided by 4096 Newton. And when you divide 24012 divided by 4096, then the value becomes 386.2. Okay, 386.2 Newton. So this is your final value of gravitational force acts between a man and the earth. Now let us see next topic. Students, see here, sorry for that, when you divide 2401200 by 4096, then it becomes 586. For 45 the 200 approx 586.2 Newton. This is correct answer. Okay, so you will correct the answer. Now let us see next topic. Students, here, gravitational force acts between the moon and the earth. Okay, now I am going to solve how to find gravitational force between moon and the earth. Okay, you know, mass of the earth 6 into 10 power 24 kg, mass of moon is 7.4 into 10 power 22 kg. You will learn also this. Okay, and the distance between mass and moon is r is equal to 3.84 into 10 power 8 meter. Okay, and you know F is equal to G me into mm by r square. Now put the value of G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into me 6 into 10 to the power 24 into mm 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 by radius distance between distance between earth and moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 whole square. Okay, now 6.67 into 6 into 7.4, now it becomes this same 10 to the minus 11, 10 to the 24, 10 to the 22. Okay, so you will write here 10 to the minus 11 plus 24 plus 22 by 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power 8. That means you will write here 2 times to all terms. Okay, now F is equal to 6.67 into 6 into 7.4 into 10 to the power, now it becomes 35. Okay, 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, 10 to the power 16. Now remove the decimal terms. You will here remove 1 2 digit and here 1 digit 3 digit. That means you will put here 30 in the denominator, and you will remove in the denominator decimal 2 to 40. So you will put here 40, then 3 zeros cancel out. Okay, then now you will multiply 7 into 6 into 74, then it becomes 296148 by 384 into 384 147456 into 10 to the power 35 into 10 to the power, now it goes to upside and it becomes minus 16. So 10 to the power 35 into 10 to the power minus 16 and into this part 0 1 0 left to 10 to the power 1. Okay, when you divide, then result is 2.008 into, and the value of this term is 35 plus 1 36 minus 16, that means 20, 10 to the power 20. So your final answer is 2 into 10 to the power 20 Newton. So we can say that the gravitational force act between moon and the earth is 2 into 10 to the power 20 Newton. Students, now it's time for your homework. Write down your homework. Student, this is your homework for day 12. Today I have given 11 question. Do class assignment 1, page number 131. When you open your page number 131, see there, this is the class assignment 1, and in that part there are 11 question is given. So you will give the answer of these 11 questions in your classwork copy. Student, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.